Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you my favorite beauty products for this summer. If you want to know what these are, then please keep on watching. Alright, so as I have mentioned, today we will be talking about my favorite beauty products for the summer season. Now let's start off with the beauty devices because I only have two recommendations for you guys. No, actually three. So let's start off with something that every girl needs. This is the bubblegum waxing machine. As you can see, mine has been used and abused. Meron pa siyang lamang wax here. So this is a great product. You don't need to schedule for your salon visits anymore. Very compact siya, very cute, as long as you keep it clean, unlike mine. Yan, very simple. You just plug it up, tapos i-adjust nyo yung heat dito. You don't need strips. They already sell the wax beads or the wax beans that are color pink, super cute. Ayan. So yun, you don't need the strips anymore. Ito lang yung parang popsicle stick or tongue depressor na pang-apply and then the beads itself. Also, I'm going to link everything in the description box below, as well as yung mga reviews ko for them. So I have a review on this. I'm going to have that linked in the description box below. Next, I have two hair tools for you guys. And ironically, hindi ako nag-iis ng buhok dahil tinatamad ako. But I will show you what it looks like when you use it. So first here, I have, it's huge. I have here the Mermaid Curls hair curler or hair waver. As you can see, napakalaki ng barrels niya. If you're into that beachy waves look, this is the product for you. And I have a coupon code for you guys should you want to purchase this. That will give you 200 pesos off of your purchase. And my coupon code is MERMAIDDANI. I'll have this linked sa pinned comment below with the coupon code and where you can buy it. So yan. The last item on the device or tools, medyo nakakahiya ipakita dahil super dumi niya for some reason, but this is an automatic hair curler that I got from Shopee. I bought this almost 3 years ago na and okay pa naman siya. From what I remember, this was less than 500 pesos and it still works. It works really well, super easy siya, especially if you're the type of person na hindi magaling sa hair stuff like me. So, eto naman, ipapasok mo lang yung chunk of hair mo dito. And then, pipindutin mo lang the arrows. So, kung saan mo gusto, kung gusto mong pag-ganon siya or pag-ganon. Ayan. Okay, so next for the skincare items, konti lang din siya. But first of all, I have here the Numi pH Protect and Repair Sunscreen. I'm using this underneath my makeup right now. It is very lightweight. It is not sticky at all. Sobrang ganda niya. And hindi siya mainit sa face. It doesn't leave a white cast. So this is perfect, especially if you're going to take photos with flash. Ayan. So I also have a discount code, 10% off. Just use my code J sa website nila. I'll have their website linked in the description box below as well as the actual discount code. So ayan, Numi PH. Okay, so next, pwede siyang makeup, pwede siyang skincare. This is the Squad Cosmetics Refreshing Melon Mist Makeup Spray. I love using this, especially on hot days, which is every day here in the Philippines. Now, this contains aloe vera, chestnut extract, and niacinamide. Super bango niya, sobrang refreshing. You can use it before and after makeup. Actually, yun lang yung skincare part. So let's move on to base products. First and foremost, the foundation that I am currently using right now. This is my current obsession. This is the Detail Cosmetics Fresh Filter Foundation. I'm using the shade Cashew, which is the mid shade out of their 5 shades. And as you can see, it gives my skin a nice dewy glow. Super ganda. Maganda din yung coverage niya. This contains a lot of skin-loving ingredients, and I recently created or filmed a review on this. Sobrang ganda niya, bet na bet talaga. Next, for the concealers, I have here the Vice Cosmetics Flawleza Concealers in the shade Shade Vice and Morena. Now, these are very creamy, they are long-lasting, they don't crack under the eyes. Tapos, maganda talaga yung finish niya. This is what I'm using right now. And, ang dami niyang laman sis, ang laki niya. So, sulit na sulit. Now, if you are an oily girl and you need to set your makeup, I have two recommendations for powders. So first of all, I have here the Caroline Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder. This is mask proof. So, very good ka dyan. Madami. Dalawa lang yung shades na to eh, from what I know. And I have it in the shade Cinnamon, which is the darker shade. Maganda to. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Next, for something with a little bit more coverage, I would suggest the Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation. Ito siya, very sleek packaging, very easy to bring. This one naman is a powder foundation. You can use it on top of your foundation or liquid foundation, or you can use it on its own. Ayan, so this is in the shade Morena. Ito yung shade ko. Alright, I almost forgot, but if you're not into foundations or you don't want to wear foundation ngayong summer, I suggest you use the Active Skin Tint from Izzy & Co. or Izzy & Company. This already has SPF 35 UVB UVA, and it is an oil-free tinted moisturizer that also contains niacinamide. So, makeup and skincare in one. Okay din yung coverage niya. Light lang naman, but buildable. So, mine is in the shade Brulee, which is the darkest shade. Yan. Alright, so next for the cheek product. So this is the Vice Cosmetics and Powerpuff Girls Collab Blush. And this is the What's Your Pow Factor Multi Blush and Glow. So, as you can see, the packaging is very cute. Look at that. Tapos, ang ganda niya. So, isuswirl mo lang around yung brush mo. Hindi naman na-mess up yung product. Tapos, this is what it looks like. Very radiant, very pigmented. Next on the list, we have here the Squad Cosmetics Serum Blushes. So, I have here the shade Red Velvet. And for the highlight, I have the shade Maple. I did review this already. Yung contour nila, it's okay. But I really like the blush and the highlight. So, ito. This is in the shade Red Velvet. It is also buildable. It's not sticky. Super lightweight. And then, ito yung Maple. The highlight is also very nice. Ayan, no? Blinding. Ingay ng butike. Ayan. Alright, so next, cream blush pa rin siya. This is the Strokes Beauty Crush Blush in the shade Fatal. This is a beautiful purple blush that is very flattering on any skin tone, and this is what it looks like. Ganda niya. Hindi siya bastos na purple. Also, since we're talking about this already, alright, so this one naman, this is the Strokes Beauty Lab Face Flash in Invisible Glow. And this is a very unique product. It is a highlighter na walang shimmer. Para lang siyang gel or para siyang petroleum jelly. Ayan, no? But it really gives off a nice glow on the skin without that shimmer or without that glitter. Very natural looking. I have that on as well. Next, we have cream blushes once again. And this time, we have the Sunny's Face Air Blushes. I have two shades here, Disco and Biscuit. Let me show you what these look like. These ones are not sticky at all. Hindi sila greasy. As in, ayan no, clay blush sila na super soft and velvety yung finish. This is the shade Biscuit. And here we have the shade Disco. Ito talaga pak na pak. Oh. So, sa mga mahilig sa namumula or nangangamatis na pisngi, this is the blush for you. Maganda din yung shade na Raz, but I don't have it. It's with my tita. Ayan. Biscuit and Disco. And next, of course, dahil nasa topic na tayo ng cream blushes, we cannot leave this product out. We have here the Detail Cosmetics Velvet Flush. I have two shades. Asan na yung isa? So I have two shades here. This is the shade Beau and this is the shade Lucas. I'm using Lucas right now. And I think out of all of my blushes or cream blushes, Lucas is my favorite kasi ang ganda talaga ng shade. Ayan no, super ganda. And then this one naman yung itsura ng Beau. Oh, pak. Ganda, 'di ba? So next for highlight, I have here the Colorette Shimmer Tints. I have all 4 shades, but these two are my favorites. Ito yung Yellow Diamond and Tiger's Eye. Let me swatch them for you. Super blinding. Ayan. This is Yellow Diamond, and this one is Tiger's Eye. Now, what I love about this is, aside from the fact that they are super blinding, a little goes a long way. So, matagal mo siyang magagamit. You just have to be careful kasi glass yung bottles nila. Also, I love mixing it with lotion. That's what I have on my body right now. So, I mixed these two up with some lotion. Tapos, pinrad around ko lang siya with a brush. And it gives off a very healthy looking glow to the skin. Alright, so last 2 highlighters tayo. I have here 2 products. Ito, Moon Beauty in the shade Moonlight and Sunday's Beauty in the shade Portia. These are both very blinding liquid highlighters, and this is what they look like. So this is Moonlight from Moon Beauty, and this is Portia from Sunday's Beauty. As you can see, this one is very golden. Ito naman medyo light and angelical, mga ganon. Celestial. Shit. So, ayun. Very blinding. I love both of these. They're not sticky. They're not greasy. Lightweight lang sila. A little goes a long way. And yeah. And finally, I don't really use anything else for my contouring or my bronzing aside from the Careline Glow Getter palette. Ito talaga yung habol ko dito sa palette na to, yung contour powder nila. So, I'm going to swatch these 3. Ito yung perfect na contour shade for me. It's not too light, not too dark for my skin tone. And pag ito na face out or tinanggal sa market, iiyak talaga ako, sis. So, ayan. The Careline Glow Getter palette. So 3-in-1 na siya. Very sulit. So, moving on to the eye products, I have here the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Ang daming mascara ng Maybelline, but this one is my favorite. This is waterproof, as in kahit mag-iiyak ka, mag-swimming ka sis, it doesn't flake, it doesn't smear, it doesn't smudge. I have here the O2O self-adhering eyelashes, and yes, hindi mo na kailangan ng glue. It comes with an adhesive band already. Ayan. Tingnan mo, ayaw niya nga matanggal sa sobrang dikit niya. But yeah, this one, don't need to use eyelash glue anymore. So ayan na, I took it out of the packaging. Tapos ayan na siya, nakadikit na siya sis. Alright, and since we are talking about fall season na, I have a lash glue recommendation for you guys as well. So, there are a lot of lash glues in the market. Madaming mga bago. Pero ako talaga, since high school, I've been using this one. This is the Nichido Eyelash Glue. As you can see, it's super small. For me, naglalast to ng around 2 months. Okay, for eyeliner, I only have one recommendation. This is a cult favorite. You guys probably know about this eyeliner already. But this is the Careline Graphing Eyeliner. Ayan siya. This is my ultimate fave kasi it's super black, dries down matte. It's super precise. Tapos, talagang hulas-proof siya. It lasts all throughout the day kahit pa pagpawisan ka. Now, let's move on to brow products. Alright, so for the brows, I have 3 product recommendations for you guys. So let's start off with the Vice Cosmetics Gandal Micro Brow Pencil. And this is what it looks like. It's dual-ended. So on this side, you have the actual brow. Very light lang siya. Ayan, no? Super light lang. Tapos very precise and thin. You can really mimic hair strokes with this. So next, for brows again, this is the Blythe Cosmetics Perfect Brow Trio. I have it in the shade Graphite. So this is a 3-in-1 product. First, you have the pencil here. Ayan. So slanted tip siya. Not as fine as yung ano. Pero very light lang din siya. Ayan, no? Oh. Ganyan. And then sa middle, we have a brow powder cushion. Ito naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. Very soft lang. And at the very end, on the other end, merong brow gel or brow mascara. So, ito yung color niya. Ganyan. And finally, my ultimate favorite na hulas proof talaga. Kahit mag-swimming ka, maligo ka, magkuskus ka, hindi ito mabubura not unless you remove it with an oil-based remover. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I have mine in the shade Ebony. Ayan siya. This one talaga super konti lang yung need mo. And I'm using this right now. Asan na yung brush? Okay. So this is the brow brush that I use with it. Let me show you how pigmented this is. As in, super konting dot-dot lang. Ayan. Tapos pwede mo naman siyang i-diffuse. Ayan, no. Ayan. So this is waterproof, smudge-proof, budge-proof, bullet-proof, life-proof, heartbreak-proof, everything-proof. And finally, for the lip products. Hindi ko sila mapapakita isa-isa because I have every shade here. Yung dalawang shades nasa bag ko. But these are the Plump Glosses from Glitzbish Cosmetics. And I am obsessed with these glosses. Let me show you a few shades. So I swatched 5 shades for you guys. This is Cashmere Vibes. This is On Zaddy's Platinum, Espresso Break, Lip Injection, and Angel Lust. Yan. You know why I like these so much? Kasi they're not sticky. They're very, very glossy. They're highly pigmented. Plus, they have a really good plumping effect. So, nagpa-plump up talaga yung lips mo. Also, along with that, it has this very cooling sensation na talagang perfect for this summer kasi nga ang init. So, I really love these glosses. As you can see, kompleto ko sila. Yon. And then next, I have here a few tints naman. Starting off with Juicy Dew Tints from Choo Choo Beauty. I have 2 shades here. So this one here is my favorite shade. This is called Rose Apple. Super nice. And then here I have the shade Deep Fig. Ito naman deeper lang siya. Parang deep red. Pero sheer pa rin. So as you can see, both are very beautiful colors. They are long-lasting. Para silang tint and lip gloss in one. They're not sticky. They're not heavy on the lips. No ngilo feeling at all. Ayan. Perfect for everyday wear during the summer season. Or actually, the whole year. If you like this type of product. Okay, so next, still tints. I have here the Roman Juicy Lasting Tints. And I know that there are some people who don't like this because of how it feels on the lips. Nangingilo daw sila. Or it's parang may numbness, ganon. Pero ako, I don't really mind. I really love these shades. So I have here 4 shades. This is Mulled Peach. This is Bear Grape, Jujube, and my personal favorite, Nucademia. So I absolutely love the finish of these glosses or these tints. It makes the lips look super juicy, keeps the lips super hydrated and moisturized. They're very long lasting as well. And in terms of the color payoff, you can definitely layer it on for a more opaque look. And finally, these are multi-use products. Of course, we cannot leave out the Colorette Color Tints. These are fresh variants. I have 7 of them. Let me swatch 3 of my favorites for you guys. Maddie, Summer, and Cherry. So, I love these because they are super duper pigmented. A little goes a long way. And again, you can use these on your eyes, lips, and cheeks. They are multi-use. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on my next video.